leave Shawn Storm alone and just leave the entire Gaza nation alone. Because you is not a Gaza fan and you has never been a Gaza fan.
A bad my ear, me say every talk on the talk pussy cartel I go shame you know. As you know, open the mouth, the man I go shame you know. But you don't see nothing yet. You know chat about my van and me want that van there put.
Guy, they didn't tell himself he come cuss and trace. But Shawn, when you cuss, you have to make sure you know what you say. Because you say, bad boy, re. You have to be careful or you throw around the term batty boy.
Footah, let sleeping dogs lie. You ever hear that saying there? Don't wake up the lion when you must sleep.
Uno we a chat off on the mouth. You never buy on a friend a bicycle yet. People on a car friends, some on a bat boy and batty girl where they are foreign for years. You never seen a barrel come back a yard yet, come get the killer.
You are the true definition of a loyal soldier. See? That's why we there a venticate fee, you get better treatment.
The Scoop.
What a go on, my people. Welcome back to The Scoop with Michelle. So guys, I come across a video of Shawn Storm clapping back at Footah Hype. Because what happened is, Footah Hype, he made a video pertaining to the car that Vybz Kartel bought for Shawn Storm, saying that it is an old car and that Shawn Storm don't appreciate it, but Shawn Storm is afraid to come out and say it. So Shawn Storm, he went ahead and clapped back. Footah Hype, you need to stop watch man pocket. You need to stop watch man pocket. Footah Hype, remember say he's not a Gaza fan. You was never a Gaza fan, but yet still you're in a Gaza business. Everything where Gaza do, you're in a it PP clock. A woman alone watch man pocket, Footah. Footah, let sleeping dogs lie. You ever hear that saying there? Don't wake up the lion when you must sleep. I have never seen Shawn Storm or hear Shawn Storm like this. Me know that Shawn Storm is a real OG, you understand? But I have never seen him behave in certain way on the media.
I hear some big batty boy run off them mouth, some big sucksy batty boy we girl mad. Some batty boy we girl mad, make batty boy talk about them as a Yale and Martian. Go lick out your mother, whether you're the yard or abroad. Big batty boy, some of who did want to live a prison and dead a prison. Because suck on.
Remember, I know every friendship is about things. I know every friendship is about material. What is wrong with a 2020 BMW car? What did your friend gift you? What did any of your so-called virgins gifted you? Not every friendship is about things. So Shawn Storm make Footah Hype know, so look here, no Footah. A far me and Kartel come from. Me and Kartel friendship, I know just yesterday. I know dancehall Bill Kartel and Shawn Storm friendship. Them are friends from them are youth. Vybz Kartel parents and Shawn Storm parents are actually friends.
You see the brother thing where you say I go with me and Kartel. Don't be fooling them. And the music, you know. Long before music in a party. I'm tired of telling them something here, you know, bro. The things them want to see Kartel do for me, enough is surprising, you know, bridging. Because long before music, me and Kartel have a overs, brother. You see, I'm telling you this already. The man used to go primary school. My mother used to sell a primary gate. The man used to buy things from my mother. My mother know the man. My mother know fee mother. My father know fee father. It a forward from far.
Footah Hype, leave the man them alone. Leave Gaza business alone, Footah Hype. Stop watch man pockets. Yeah, girl? Stop watch the man pocket, man. Everything the man do, Footah, you inna it PP clock. Hey, Kartel did sing one song we say, if me no, them can't yam. And it look like a true no. Cause ever since Vybz Kartel come from prison, you don't want vlog about anybody else other than Vybz Kartel. Yet still you're not a Kartel fan. Make it make sense. Make it make sense now? Footah Hype, stop draw out the man. Leave the man them name alone, Footah Hype. Shawn Storm are really youth. Shawn Storm know what is loyalty. Not every friend a material friend. Not every friend a fake friend. You actually have real friends. You understand? Because I'm not telling you, friends like Uno, you know, Uno bad mind, no friends, them, you know. Uno grudge, no friends, them, you know. You understand? Friends like Uno are friend killer. Friends like Uno analyze, no friends, them, for things. Because Uno, you're red. Uno, you're red. Some people are appreciative. You understand? Of the little that they have. Give thanks for small blessings. You understand? Until the big blessings come. Uno want like Uno put money in a cartel pocket. The man having bills to pay, you know. The man having family to take care of, you know. The man having woman to take care of, you know. One to Uno, the man having business them. One thing for the hype. For the low the man them man. Low the man them for the hype. Come off a Gaza now, Footah man. Give Gaza a rest, man. Come up with something else now. You understand? This is giving obsessed. This is giving obsessed, like you're obsessed with cartel. Because everything what the man do, you know, it's a Footah hype. The man, them have a brotherly love for each other. Loyalty over royalty. You hear that? Loyalty over royalty. And humanity over vanity. Some of you are vanity lovers, you know. Some of you are vanity lovers, you know. And that is why these things matter so much to you guys, you know. You don't learn to be appreciative of small blessings. You are long, you are red. Because you don't want what the boss have. Shawn Storm is the true definition of a real friend. Of a real brother. And what friendship should be about. Loyalty. So Footah, not because you don't have no loyal friend. Or you no loyal to none of your friends them. Why you have to come and think say cartel and Shawn Storm friendship is about material things. That's you cannot tell the man say him no like the car. And you talk for the man, you know. You tell the man say the man no like the car and the man afraid to talk. Footah hype, you have to stop it, you know. You have to stop it, Footah hype. You're a big man now. You understand? You're a big man now, Footah hype, man. Love some things alone, brother. And when the man replied to you know, Footah, you have to tell the man say the same energy way him use and reply to you, him should have transferred it in a song. The audacity. Remember you first called the man name. The man never come for you. The man no see you Footah hype. The man they come a road and them humble. Shawn Storm is a humble youth. You understand? But you drought the man.
Me never hear Shawn Storm talk so strong yet. Me never hear Shawn Storm voice so powerful yet. Alright, when him a cuss the body of them and think today, it sound like a bounty killer me a ear. When him a say, hey, bad boy, pussy, red. Come like a Shawn Storm. You see, if you did ever put that energy there in our song.
You don't know how you invest in a Gaza business, so you're really invested in a Gaza business, cause trust me, from cartel come from prison, a cartel this, cartel that, cartel this, cartel that. The man can't do nothing right for you. Leave the man alone, man. Leave the man alone. Leave Shawn Storm alone. And just leave the entire Gaza nation alone. Because you is not a Gaza fans. And you has never been a Gaza fans. So why you... Me understand he's a vlogger. And that's why you get paid. But my God, give them a break now, man. Stop watch the man pocket. Stop watch the man pocket. Stop watch all the man has penny money. You's nothing woman. Stop it. Stop it. It don't look good coming from a man. Watching a man pocket. Guys, let me know in the comments. If you think the Footah hype, stop watch Vybz Kartel pocket. You understand? And stop watch all the man are spending money. Or if you continue and agree with what I say. You understand? Let me know. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for listening. Remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Big up on yourself. Walk good, spread love. I'm out.
The Scoop.